We start by importing useEffect from React, which we will use to tap into the lifecycle of our component and handle any side effects. Next, we import the script component from Next.js, which enables us to include third-party scripts in our application with advanced loading strategies. We declare our functional component, myPage, where we will implement the lazy loading of our third-party script. Within myPage, we use the useEffect hook, which will run our side effect after the render is committed to the screen. Inside the useEffect hook, we define a callback, handle route change, that checks if our third-party script is already loaded. If so, we can invoke any script-specific logic we need when the route changes. We attach the handle route change function to the route change complete event. This ensures that our logic is executed every time a route change completes in our Next.js app. To avoid memory leaks, we provide a cleanup function that will be called when the component is unmounted. Here, we remove the event listener for route change complete. The empty dependency array passed to useEffect tells React that this effect does not depend on any values from props or state, so it only needs to run once after the initial render. Our component returns the main JSX template. This is where you would include your page's content. Within the JSX, we use the script component to include our third-party script. We specify its source and use the lazy onload strategy to queue the script for loading after the page has been rendered and the main thread is idle. The onload callback is provided to the script component, where we set a flag on the window object to indicate the script has finished loading. In the onload, you can also initialize the script or perform additional actions. Finally, we close off our script component and the JSX fragment, as well as our functional component, myPage. And don't forget to export our myPage component so it can be used throughout our Next.js application. This concludes the lazy loading setup for our third-party script.